trigonometry. Today, we are going to discuss solving simple logarithmic equation. But before that, let me give you a trivia. Last November 18, 2022, at around 10:18 a.m., Pangasinan was struck by an earthquake which is 65,000 as intense as the standard 1. Making use of Richter scale, R is equal to the logarithm of I over I sub O, wherein I is the intensity and I sub O is the standard intensity. But we could rewrite it as R is equal to logarithm of 65,000. Therefore, the magnitude of the earthquake that struck Pangasinan last November is 4.8. And we are blessed that we are being protected by our God Almighty. To know more about logarithmic functions, let us have this activity, You Complete Me activity. I will be flashing equations, then you are going to complete the equation to come up with the different laws of logarithm. So let's begin. For any base b, logarithm of b to the base b is equal to 1. Logarithm of 1 to the base b is equal to 0. Logarithm of b raised to x to the base b is equal to x, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. This is the first law of logarithms. Next, logarithm of mn to the base b is equal to, very good, logarithm of m to the base b plus logarithm of n to the base b. This is the second law of logarithms, logarithm of products, which states that the logarithm of the product of positive real numbers is equal to the sum of the logarithms of the factors of the given base. Moving on, logarithm of m over n to the base b is equal to, excellent, logarithm of m to the base b minus logarithm of n to the base b. This is the third law of logarithms or logarithm of quotients, which states that the logarithm of the quotient of positive real numbers is equal to the dividend minus the logarithm of the divisor. Next, logarithm of m raised to a to the base b is equal to a logarithm of m to the base b. This is the fourth law of logarithms or the logarithm of power, which states that the logarithm of the power of a positive real number is equal to the exponent times the logarithm of the number to the given base. Since you have already mastered the different laws of logarithm, you are now ready in solving simple logarithmic equations. Let's start with these examples. Example number 1, logarithm of 4x to the base 2 plus logarithm of 9 to the base 2 is equal to logarithm of 72 to the base 2. We are going to make use of logarithm of product. Therefore, we have logarithm of 4x times 9 to the base 2 is equal to logarithm of 72 to the base 2. Since the base are equal, we could now equate 36x and 72, making use of equality for logarithmic equations. 36x is equal to 72. Divide both sides of the equation by 36. We have now x is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is x is equal to 2. Next example, 4 logarithm of x to the base 3 minus logarithm of 9 to the base 3 is equal to logarithm of 9 to the base 3. First step, we use the logarithm of power. So we have logarithm of x raised to 4 to the base 3 minus logarithm of 9 to the base 3 is equal to logarithm of 9 to the base 3. To combine the two terms, we are going to make use of logarithm of quotient. Therefore, we have logarithm of x raised to 4 over 9 to the base 3 is equal to logarithm of 9 to the base 3. Since the base are equal, we could now equate x raised to 4 over 9 is equal to 9. Cross multiply, we have x raised to 4 is equal to 9 times 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. Get the fourth root. So we have the fourth root of x raised to 4 is x. And the fourth root of 81 is positive negative 3. Therefore, the solution sets are positive 3 and negative 3. Let us now try making use of the different laws of logarithm in solving simple logarithmic equations. Let us have the activity abide by the law. Last meeting, I have assigned you different emoticon cards. The like, the heart, and the wow emoticon. Now, those emoticon have designated logarithmic equations. And your task is to solve those simple logarithmic equations making use of the laws of logarithm. Let's begin the activity. Excellent, my dear grade 10 SPM students, for being able to solve the simple logarithmic equation assigned to you. For you to be able to solve the simple logarithmic equation, what are your strategies? Excellent. We need to follow the different laws of logarithm for us to arrive at the correct answer. Just like in life, we need to follow the different laws set by our leaders for us to live in a peaceful community. Following law is equal to good government. Thank you for listening, grade 10 SPM students. Before I end the lesson, always remember that mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution.